Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about my Lego mock Saber Red. Saber Red is my mock, like a custom Jaeger. The design is from Saber Athena, so I took the name of Saber Blade, since she has golden blade. Let's talk about articulations. The articulation, same as other Jaegers from months ago or whatever. The arms can move, the legs, and the wings. And this is a jetpack, charged, yeah. You can take the blade off, and where's that? Oh god damn it. By using these for hold on a second. I take these cheese loops and voila. So yeah, I love the arm design because it looks kind of cool. So that's it. That's everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, and thank you all for 20 subscribers. I really enjoy it, seeing people of views, and I hope that you all copy my builds, because I'm the reason why I'm making these videos, because I want to make people a little happy to build a Lego and you can actually play it. See ya.